Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best slim drawer storage tower is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for any home or office, offering a sleek and unobtrusive way to organize your belongings without cluttering your living space. Whether you're dealing with a cramped apartment, a busy dorm room, or simply looking to declutter your workspace, this innovative storage unit provides ample room for essentials while maintaining a minimal footprint. Its thoughtful design ensures that it can fit into narrow gaps and corners, transforming underutilized areas into functional storage zones. Get ready to discover how this compact yet capacious tower can revolutionize your organization game and bring a new level of tidiness to your environment. Number 5. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. This slim storage cart is designed for ultimate flexibility. With 360-degree rotating wheels, you can effortlessly move it anywhere you need extra storage. It's perfect for any room, especially narrow spaces. Maximize your storage with its multiple tiers. You can easily organize your essentials and keep them within reach. Plus, the included side hoops offer even more external storage options. This isn't just a rolling cart, it's a versatile organizer. Adjust it to 2 or 3 tiers, or even use it as a bathroom dresser or kitchen spice rack. It helps keep your space tidy and functional. The thoughtful mesh design at the bottom prevents water buildup. This ensures that your stored items stay dry and clean, preventing any residue from accumulating. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this cart is both stable and durable. Installation is a breeze, requiring no extra tools for a quick and easy setup. What we like? This organizer offers exceptional flexibility with its 360 degrees rotating wheels, allowing you to move it anywhere. Its mesh hollow design keeps items dry, and you can adjust it to 2 or 3 layers. If you need a versatile organizer that can adapt to various spaces and keep things dry, this is a great choice. What people say. The slim drawer storage tower is a great space saver. It's perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms. The drawers are deep enough to hold a good amount of items. Number 4. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Tired of clutter? This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow spaces, helping you make the most of every inch in your home. It features a smart tiered design with adjustable layers to accommodate items of all sizes, from tall bottles to daily essentials. With 360-degree swivel casters, you can easily move it around your home, bringing organization wherever you need it most. Setting it up is a breeze. Assemble it in under 10 minutes with no tools required. You can even customize it by removing the wheels for a stationary option. Despite being lightweight, it's incredibly durable and features a breathable mesh design to keep your items dry and prevent rusting. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or any tight space to solve all your storage headaches. It's perfect for organizing toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, and more. Its narrow profile is designed for tucked-in stability, making it ideal for filling awkward nooks and crannies between furniture or appliances. What we like? This cart is designed to maximize every inch of your space, sliding perfectly into narrow gaps. It features tool-free assembly and customizable dividers for flexible storage. If you're looking to utilize tight spaces efficiently and want a quick, adaptable setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly. It's a good size for small spaces. Assembly was straightforward and took about 15 minutes. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart 4-Tier. Tired of wasted space? This organizer is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical storage. Its intelligent height design accommodates items of all sizes, making it a true space-saving expert. Need flexibility? Easily move this unit around with its smooth rolling casters, or remove them to create a stable, stationary shelving unit. It adapts to your needs, whether you're organizing your kitchen or bathroom. Keep your items tidy with adjustable dividers and scientifically designed to your heights. From large detergent bottles to small spice jars, everything has its perfect place, eliminating clutter and wasted space. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy transport but built to last, with shelves that can hold up to 30 pounds. The unique mesh bottom prevents water buildup and keeps items dry. This versatile cart is your solution for cluttered spaces. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small apartments and RVs. It brings order to any area of your home. What we like. This organizer boasts a 4-tier intelligent height differential design, perfect for accommodating items of all sizes. It offers dual mode conversion from mobile to fixed storage and has scientific tier heights for optimal space utilization. If you need to organize a variety of items with different heights and want the flexibility of both mobile and stationary use, consider this option. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly and are deep enough to hold a good amount of items. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included. The slim design fits perfectly in tight spaces, making it ideal for small rooms. Number 2. VASAGLE 4-tier slim rolling cart ULRC 032B01V1. Tired of wasted space? This cart is designed to fit perfectly into those tight spots, like between your counter and fridge, giving you valuable extra storage. With 4 levels of shelving, you can keep everything organized. Place frequently used items on top and store larger goods below. There's plenty of room for all your essentials. Constructed with a strong metal frame and quality particle board, this unit is built for durability. You can rely on it to serve your storage needs for years to come. Need to move it? No problem. The integrated handle and 4 smooth rolling casters make it incredibly easy to reposition wherever you need it most. Setting it up is a breeze. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have this storage solution assembled and ready to use in no time. What we like. Crafted with a robust steel and quality particle board frame, this cart is built for durability. It offers 4 tiers of storage and includes a convenient metal handle for easy movement. If you prioritize a sturdy build and need ample storage with easy maneuverability, this metal frame cart is an excellent selection. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly and are deep enough to hold a good amount of items. It was easy to assemble and feels sturdy once put together. The slim design is perfect for small spaces, fitting perfectly between my washer and dryer. Number 1. SPACEKEEPER Slim 4-tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing our 4-tier slim storage cart, ingeniously designed at just 4.75 inches wide. It's the perfect solution for maximizing storage in those narrow spaces around your home. Glided in and out of tight spots with ease thanks to its 4 smooth rolling wheels. Need it to stay put? 2 of the wheels feature brakes for added stability. Setting up this organizer is a breeze with its quick, snap-together assembly. Crafted from durable plastic, it's built to last and easy to maintain. This versatile unit fits seamlessly into closets, kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and even between your washer and dryer. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Customize your storage by adjusting the shelves to 2 or 3 tiers. You can even use it without the casters on countertops for added convenience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This stylish and practical organizer is ideal for housewarmings, holidays, or birthdays, helping anyone create a more organized home. What we like. This cart features an ultra-slim 4.75-inch design, perfect for the tightest spaces. It comes with easy glide wheels, including 2 with brakes for stability, and side hoops for extra storage. If you have extremely narrow spaces and need a stable yet mobile storage solution with added hanging options, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly. It's a good size for small spaces. Assembly was straightforward and took about 30 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.